Data management, since those companies who have more data, especially like eBay, Alibaba, Amazon, Souk.com, they have like a lot of data management needs over there. So how to manage this data management needs over there? So we have database software providers, IBM, Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase, MySQL, Apache. These are the databases you can use for storing your devices over there. And there are also, now we have other big data architecture, where you have a multi type of data in shape of text, in shape of audio, in shape of images, in shape of videos. So all these, for this one, for like multi kind of data, you need more complex softwares, especially the Google. They have Hadoop is one of the data management software in which you can filter the different kind of data, especially like in Facebook or in Twitter or in Instagram. You have not only the text data, not the comments only, but you also have videos, audios, and different images. You have it. So physical data storage for large scale system, who help EMC is one of the Dell EMC is one of the important components which helps in data management over there, and especially in different large companies like STC, Mobile, and Zen. They were using EMC before, but now I think they moved to the VMware and other softwares over there. I think still might be they are using. We need to see that what they are using. So what the one of the purpose of the project we have given is to see that what the companies are using, what are their structure different, because in the project we give you 7 different structure to find out it what are the different components over there. So in case of, for example, if you find that some companies like STC, they are using Dell EMC, so how they are using it, what are the components over there. So you need to explore that things in it. And then we have like Hewlett Packard, like they were initially producing the printers over there, but now they also came for the data storage as well.